Hey everyone, it's Mark with Trash Raiders again, and today we're going to be at the lovely Sawmill Park today in the Woodlands. It's a beautiful park. As you can see, when we're going to be picking up the trash, there's tons of tennis courts in this area. There's a basketball court, a pavilion, and a very large playground for kids. And there's a big field too, so we're going to try and get as much of that as we can. But come on and follow me, and let's see how much trash we can pick up. All right, here we are at the entrance to the tennis courts at Sawmill Park. You know, they usually keep it clean here, but there's trash every now and then. So let's get going and see what we can find. We'll start with the tennis court here. I already see some trash. It's pretty windy today, so there's a lot of paper trash floating around. So right there, we got one. So it's around 2 or 3 o'clock right now, and the sun is just at a very bad angle where the glare is, so hopefully that doesn't disturb the video too much. But let's see what we got around here. They're usually pretty good about picking up this area. You know, a lot of the people that use this tennis court, they want to keep it clean, so that's a good thing. As you can see here, we have a drainage grate, and you can see, I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna try anyway. Oh wow, it's heavy. This is heavy. This is a lock. I don't know if I can do it. It's a big master lock. That's gonna bring good money for the metal. That's heavy. That's heavy. Just give you guys an idea. Listen to it. Heavy. But as you can see, water from this open field collects, you know, it drains from that field over there under this bridge into the gutter. So you got a lot of things in there. Well, here's the thing, those plastic bottles are not going to be recycled here. This is a trash can. So I can take those bottles at least and recycle them. And that lid. Oh! Yay! We got some metal. And this plastic lid. There we go. One less thing in a landfill. Plastic bottle cap. is this? Oh, it's a handle, but I'm assuming went to a tennis racket. Yeah. Oh, I can get it from here. It's on the other side of the fence. No! I have to get it with my hand. Oh, come on. You got it. Come here. Oh my God. Yes, got it. Trash cannot escape from me. All right, do we have anything we can recycle in here? Oh, yep. There's a can. Nice. And a plastic bottle. Styrofoam cup. I know those aren't recyclable, but at least throw it in there. All right, got some more bottles. The one thing that this park does not have is a recycling trash bin. Does not have that. Only has trash cans. What is it with socks? Another sock. An Uno card. Box. V. Another beer can. Oh wow. Wow, we're gonna have the whole alphabet here. We got the letter A. What is it with socks? That's the third sock I found. What is up with all these socks? Oh my god. And the letter E. Today, this trash pickup was brought to you by the letter A, E, and V. All right, so as you can see here, we're very close to the playground, and right over there were the basketball courts, and right over there is the pavilion. We're going to be walking along this area. As you can see, this is the pavilion area. There's a lot of trash. There's 2 trash cans over here, and there's the pool. Listen, I didn't put this here. Somebody else did. I don't know if you can read that, but that's the Book of Mormon. Whew, am I tired? That was a lot of trash. Let's take a look at what we got. All right, as you can tell, we did pick up a lot of stuff from trash cans like that. Just the recyclable material, like the plastic bottles and cans, you know. But look at that, that's a lot. You know, from what I'm seeing majority is plastic. But we found a lot of plastic bottles, a lot of plastic wrappers, stuff like that. Still the usual. So, but if you enjoyed the video, stay tuned for the next one. That's going to be the trash analysis. But if you really liked what you saw, like and subscribe, and definitely share this video. The more people who know about trash pickup that they can just do and see how easy it is, the more people that are going to be out here actually, you know, picking up trash. So like and subscribe helps out the channel, and thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one, and stay tuned for the analysis video. See ya.